Have you ever stopped and wondered if the universe is a mere reflection of our own minds? A fleeting thought, a whispering question that tickles our curiosity and stirs our wonder about the vast cosmos. What if the universe, the galaxies, stars, and even the tiniest particles are all woven together by the threads of our consciousness? What if the reality we perceive is simply a mirror reflecting our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs? This is where the principle of mentalism comes into play. The principle of mentalism, as stated in the Kabbalion, proclaims the all is mind, the all is mental. This profound principle encapsulates the truth that everything we perceive, the universe, life, matter, energy, all these are fundamentally mental. They are not merely physical, tangible entities, but rather manifestations of what we call the all, or the universal mind. Now, what exactly is the all? It's a concept that represents the absolute reality underlying everything we witness. It's an entity that is unknowable and undefinable, yet it can be thought of as an infinite living mind. It is the foundation of all existence, the source from which all things spring and to which all things return. Picture the universe as a grand tapestry woven from the threads of the all. Each star, each planet, each life form is but a single thread in this intricate design. Each one is a mental creation of the all, subject to the laws that govern created things. This principle of mentalism, by establishing the mental nature of the universe, provides a key to understanding a vast array of mental and psychic phenomena. It forms a basis for the scientific treatment of these phenomena, which would otherwise remain mysterious and inexplicable. Embracing the principle of mentalism allows us to comprehend the laws of the mental universe. It empowers us to navigate our lives with greater awareness and intention rather than stumbling through in a haphazard manner. With this master key, we can unlock the doors to the mental and psychic temple of knowledge. We can explore the true nature of energy, power, and matter, and understand how all these are subordinate to the mastery of the mind. An old Hermetic master once wrote, "He who grasps the truth of the mental nature of the universe is well advanced on the path to mastery." This statement is as true today as it was when first written. Without this master key, mastery is impossible, and we would be left knocking in vain at the many doors of the temple. Therefore, we live and move and have our being within the mind of the all. You may ask, how does this principle of mentalism speak to a spiritual seeker? The answer lies in the core of the principle itself. The principle of mentalism states that all is mind, that the universe in its entirety exists within the infinite mind of the all. For a spiritual seeker, this concept resonates deeply as it aligns with the quest for understanding the interconnectedness of all things and the search for a higher consciousness. You see, the principle of mentalism is not just a philosophical concept, but a key to a deeper understanding of the universe and one's existence within it. It suggests that we are not separate entities wandering aimlessly in a physical world, but rather integral parts of a grand, intelligent mind. It highlights the profound truth that our thoughts, perceptions, and experiences are not isolated occurrences, but are part of the infinite mental creation of the all. This is a powerful realization that can transform a spiritual seeker's journey. It can lead to a profound understanding that our individual minds are not separate but are extensions of the universal mind. It can inspire us to look beyond our physical existence and explore the vast expanse of the mental universe. Moreover, this principle can serve as a guide to spiritual growth. By understanding that all is mind, spiritual seekers can begin to harness the power of their thoughts, to shape their realities and to influence the world around them. They can strive to align their thoughts with the universal mind, thus fostering harmony, enlightenment, and spiritual growth. Understanding the principle of mentalism can also help spiritual seekers make sense of the myriad mental and psychic phenomena that often baffle the scientific community. It can provide a framework for comprehending the nature of these phenomena and their place in the universe. So, when we delve into the principle of mentalism, we are not merely engaging in intellectual discourse. We are embarking on an enlightening journey towards understanding the universe, our place within it, and the immense power of the mind. Thus, to grasp the truth of the mental nature of the universe signifies advancement on the path to spiritual mastery. Now, let's delve into what the principle of mentalism implies for our understanding of energy, power, and matter. You see, the principle of mentalism places the mind at the heart of everything. In this view, energy, power, and matter are not just physical entities or independent phenomena. They are instead the offspring of the mind, the manifestations of thought, the children of consciousness. Consider energy. We often think of it as something we harness from the environment, solar energy, wind energy, or even the energy stored in the food we eat. But under the lens of mentalism, energy is an expression of the mind. It's the force that drives creation and change, the raw material of thought given form. It's the power of the mind, expressed in a way that we can perceive and interact with. Next, let's think about power. We often associate power with control or influence over others. But in the light of mentalism, power is not about control over external forces. Rather, it's about the mastery of one's own mind. It's the capacity to shape our reality with our thoughts, to bend the universe to our will through focused intention and belief. Lastly, matter. We tend to view matter as solid, unchanging, and separate from us. Yet under the principle of mentalism, matter is simply a denser form of thought, a more concrete expression of the mind's creations. It's not separate from us, but rather an extension of our consciousness, an embodiment of our thoughts. In essence, the principle of mentalism reframes our understanding of energy, power, and matter. It teaches us that they are not external, independent entities, but rather they are the creations of the mind. It tells us that to truly understand and master these elements, we must first master our minds. This mastery of mind is not a trivial task. It requires inner exploration, relentless questioning, and deep contemplation. But once achieved, it opens the doors to a profound understanding of the universe and our role within it. So the mastery of mind is the master key to understanding the universe. Understanding the principle of mentalism is one thing, but how do we apply it to our lives? A worthy question indeed. Let's delve into this enigma. Firstly, it's about the realization that the universe is a construct of the mind. This isn't a mere philosophical ponderance, but a practical guide to navigating our existence. Picture your reality as a canvas, and your thoughts, the brushstrokes that color it. By harnessing the power of your mind, you can paint the reality you desire. For instance, consider the times you've found yourself in a negative mindset and how it seems like the world conspires against you. Now flip that around. When you're filled with positivity, doesn't it seem like the universe is in your favor? This is the principle of mentalism in action. Your mental state shapes your perception of reality, but it's not just about perception. Your thoughts also influence your actions. If you believe you can achieve something, you're more likely to put in the effort to make it happen. This is not magic, but the simple cause and effect of your mental state influencing your behavior. Furthermore, the principle of mentalism can aid in personal growth. By understanding that the universe is a mental construct, we can better grasp our own mind's workings. This understanding can help us overcome limiting beliefs, foster positive thinking, and unlock our full potential. It's also essential to remember that this principle isn't a tool for selfish gain, but a pathway to harmony. By understanding that we're all part of the same universal mind, we can foster empathy and unity. We can see beyond the illusion of separation and embrace our interconnectedness. So, how does one start applying this principle? Start by observing your thoughts. Notice how they shape your reality. Then, consciously choose thoughts that align with the reality you desire. Cultivate positivity, empathy, and unity. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Remember, with the master key in your possession, you may unlock the many doors of the mental and psychic temple of knowledge. So embrace the power of your mind and unlock the doors to your potential. The universe is yours to shape. So what does this journey of understanding the universe through the principle of mentalism tell us? We've journeyed through the grand tapestry of the universe, guided by the principle of mentalism. It has revealed to us a truth, a fundamental axiom that all is mind. This principle, hailing from the ancient wisdom of the Kybalion, posits that the substantial reality underlying all outward manifestations, all phenomena of life, matter, and energy, is the spirit, an unknowable and undefinable entity, yet something we can conceive as a universal, infinite, living mind. We've discovered that the universe in all its complexity is simply a mental creation, subject to the laws of created things and exists in the mind of the all. This principle has provided us with the master key to unlock the doors of the mental and psychic temple of knowledge. Understanding the principle of mentalism allows us to grasp the laws of the mental universe, applying them to our well-being and advancement. It has shown us the true nature of energy, power, and matter, and how they bow before the mastery of the mind. Through this voyage, we've gained a new perspective on our place within the universe. We've learned that to truly comprehend the universe, we must first understand the mind, for it is through the mind that we perceive and interact with the world around us. After all, he who grasps the truth of the mental nature of the universe is well advanced on the path to mastery.